2, 1, go.
Sorry ha.
Look at what you see.
Got it, got it. Got it, got it. Ikaw ang aking got it, got it. Got it, got it. Got it, got it.
Ikaw ang aking bebot, 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 bebot.
Ako'y muta na? May video ko.
Bebot, 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 bebot.
Ihalanin na ako na na ibang baby si Papa. Ilain mo to. Si Joshua na yung kagargahin na si Puyo na siya, puyo. Silake. Nakapotel.
Ardwin, kita ka sa cellphone ako, Ardwin.
Digi. Liwat lang. Simi. Wala vlog eh.
A is for apple, apple. B is for boy, boy. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. G is for goat, goat. Alam naman.
The pig is pink. The pig is pink. Look, another egg. Wow. Should we see what's inside this egg? Yes. Yes. Say open. Open.
May they constantly guide all believers with their exhortation, an example of a strong and pure faith. We pray.
Lord, strengthen our faith in you.
For all those whose faith has been shaken,
Got it.
Video.
Sige, gari, basi pumunta na. Hindi mo na siya kapabay. Kung wala palagi dadala. Mas ati pa.
Sa ate.
Kaganihan, papa naman. Papa? Wala dyan ang gusto yung mama. Ay, ang lula. Wala dyan tayo.
Remnants. Maganda na ko. Thank you yan.
Thank you, Brian. Ay, Brian. Ako si Brian. Brian, dali, Brian. Dito ka, Brian. Kay, ang akong anak naman dito.
Ano na?
Hugaw ko ng screen.
Hugaw ang screen.
Kira.
Lolo, si Lolo. Ako si Lolo busy. Ang Lolo.
Yan.